Hey, second graders, if you remember, I told you that we are going to start writing a persuasive letter about something that you would like to have in your town. Yesterday, your job was to make a little bit of a list about some things that you would like to have in your town. You were just going to think about, brainstorm, and then write down some ideas. And I did that as well. I wrote down a few things about what I wanted in my town. Sorry, I'm going to move this over a little bit. I said, oh, I would like a Target or maybe an ice skating rink. Said I would like a library or a bookstore, coffee shop, or maybe we could put like a lake or a big pond in my town. So these are some of the ideas that I thought about, and I skipped lines. And I came up with. These are just some of my own personal ideas, okay, that I would like to have in my town. And my ideas are going to be different than your ideas, right? We like different things. We want different things in our town, okay? So today, you are going to pick from this list the one thing that you're going to write about and ask for. Now, the important part when you pick from something is something that you have a strong feeling about. If you kind of don't really care about an ice skating rink, you're like, it kind of sounds fun, but I could really care less. Don't pick that. But if you love to read, you check out books from a library all the time, and you wish so badly there was one nearby because you would go there all the time, and you feel really strongly about maybe a library or a bookstore, you want to feel really strongly about what you want to have in your town. Not, whatever, I don't really care. Or just kind of okay about it. You want to feel really strongly. You want to have a lot of reasons about why it would be a good idea. Not, it would be cool, I'd really like it, it would be good. Those are not the reasons we are looking for. So you want to feel really strongly about it. I know what I'm going to pick. I'm going to put a star next to a library. I don't have a library in my town. I do not have a library in my town. I would love to have a library in my town because Mrs. Simmons loves to read. So I am going to ask somebody for a library in my town. And today I'm going to write down my goal. My goal is going to be what I'm going to ask for. Now, what is a goal? You probably heard of a goal when it comes to like a soccer game, right? Like when somebody is kicking the soccer ball, right, and they want to score a goal, right? But the goal tells the writer, that's you doing the writing. So when I get my pencil and my paper, right, and I'm doing lots of good writing, right, it tells the writer, or the goal is really important, okay? The goal tells what the writer wants the reader to do, okay? And the goal should be really clear. It should tell readers exactly what they want them to do. A goal should be exact, okay? I would like we do not have a library, and we have a small downtown, but there are a couple empty buildings in our small town. And since we're a really small town, like really, really small, we wouldn't need a big library. We would not need a big library. So I would like a library to go into an empty building downtown. That is my goal. I would like a library to go into an empty building downtown. That is what I want. I'm the writer, and I'm telling the reader exactly what I want. And I want it to be clear and exact. I don't want them to guess, but I kind of want them to do. This is exactly what I want. I want a library, and I want it to go in an empty building downtown. So what I would like you to do today is I would like you to look at your list. Pick one thing from the list that you feel really strongly about. Like, I really want this. I think this would be really great to have in our town for lots of important reasons. Be really, okay, lots of important reasons. Not, it would be cool. It'd be really good. I would like it. Those are not important reasons. And we're going to talk about reasons and important reasons and be really clear and use important wording and details with our reasons. And so you might want to start thinking about that. Why do I want this? The reason that you want something is not because it's cool, right? And then I want you to start to think about the goal. Our goal right now is going to be one sentence. One sentence. That's it. How can you write this down with exact wording like I did? So that's what I would like you to do. I would like you to write down your goal today after you've picked your item from your list. Write your goal just like I did. One sentence. That's all you have to do.